Hi. We're here for a sound check for the Janice and Robert Bartel party.
We're going to Beatletown.
We're going to Beatletown. We'll make this short and sweet because we just got done with that other show. We want to make sure we had a sound check for this particular. What a change of scenery so quickly. How do we do it? Magic of movies. And,
Peace and love. Magic.
And magic. And bleeding.
Nothing behind the curtain. Bleeding again?
I'm always bleeding. I'm a bleeding heart.
Well, hello, Janice, Robert, and Horace,
Right
and
today.
Rocky.
Yes, we're going to have a whole thing.
We're excited.
We're just going to do a quick sound check and then come back and Robert and Janice Bartel of, I have it right here.
Beatletown?
Benton.
Oh, Benton. Oh, we could have got another B in there.
I can't even read it. Oh, Benton. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Benton, Illinois. The pride of Benton, Illinois.
That's right.
Are here today, and we're going to celebrate them and all their. Thank you for all their help this past year, and their love, and their support, and their Beatlosity. They are the Baron and Baroness of Beatletown. Sure we're live?
Yeah.
Ah, I wasn't sure. That was terrible. Come on, let's listen to what the man said. Let's do it proper. I have the wrong chord. B minor. Anytime, any day, you can hear the people say that love is blind, and I don't know, but I say love is kind. Baby, yeah. We'll be right back, quick as we can.
Yes, and then we're going to Beatletown with the Bartels.
Going to Beatletown.
Come join us.
3:45, hopefully.
They're playing DJ today, and they got some great choices. So we'll see you in a bit.